How to check old stories on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to view your old stories on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, just scroll down and tap on archive. And this will open your story archive where all previously posted stories are saved. So here at the top, you can just tap on the drop down menu, and from there you can simply select Stories Archive if it's not already selected. And with that, now here you can see all the stories that you have posted in the past, even after they disappeared from your profile. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.